It speaks volumes, the Cuban flag flying at half-staff in the heart of Havana as the Cuban people wake up to the news that Fidel Castro is dead at the age of 90.
Here's some of the things we know this morning. Fidel Castro will be cremated today. Memorial Days in Cuba will be Monday and Tuesday of next week. His ashes will be scattered on December the 3rd, and his funeral will be held next Sunday, December the 4th. That is going to be in Santiago de Cuba. Here is a look at some of the things we just talked about a moment ago. There is going to be 9 days of mourning that begins today and ends with that funeral on December 4th.
And Hatzel Vela told us that the 9 days will be under strict control by Raul Castro, and it will be a somber period of mourning.